Hello everyone, we are reading factors and multiples, and today we will learn about the prime factors. So as we have learned in the last class that what is prime number and what is composite number. So prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factor, and that is the number that is 1 and the number itself. Okay, and it is not divisible by any number completely. Got it? Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, that is and 1 and the number itself, and the prime numbers cannot be divisible by any number completely. Got it, children? As you can see here, the prime factors that are prime numbers are known as prime factors. Means the factor that are prime number. Okay, the factor that are prime number, they are known as prime factors. The factor which are prime number, that is known as prime factor. So we know how to find out the factor. Suppose this is a 24. As you can see, a 24. Factor of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. Out of this factor, which numbers are a prime number? That prime numbers are known as prime factors. As you can see here, this is 2, 3. 2 and 3, these two number only are prime numbers. As you can see here, this is 2 and this is 3. These two numbers are prime number, and rest of the numbers are, this is a unique number, and the rest numbers are composite numbers. So these two numbers are known as prime factors. So out of these 2 and 3 are prime factors. So there are two different way to find out the prime factorization, means prime number, how to find out. So, so prime factorization refer to the method of expressing number as a product of prime factors. Means prime factorization means we have to represent the number, express the number by using the prime numbers as a product of that given number. Here 24 can be represented in this way: 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24. We can represent, and see one more thing. These 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. Got it, children? So there are two methods are there. We can find out this prime factorization. Two method. That is, the first one is division method, as we have learned in the class 3, short division method. You have remember or not? So in the same way we have to do here also. So first one is division method and the second one is tree method. So first we will discuss about the division method. See here. Let us find the prime factorization of 18 using a division method. So first division method, what to do? So divide 18 by the smallest prime number possible. Okay. First we will write here 18. So this is the 18, and we will make one line and we will choose one number that is prime. Okay. We cannot take composite number. We have to take prime number. So smallest prime number is 2. So 2 nines are 18. Got it? Now again, now we will choose another prime number which is possible in this case. That is that divides 9 completely. So 3 3s are 9. Now 3 can 3 again we will take 3. Why? Because 3 1s are 3 is there. So see here, 9 is the new dividend. Divide 9 by the smallest. Always first start with the smallest prime number. If we cannot, so we will move on. We will keep on moving. Okay. So 2. If 19 is 18 is not divisible by 2, so we will take 3. As you can see here, 3 is 9 is not divisible by 2, so we are taking here 3. Here also 3 is also not divisible by 2, so we are taking here 3. In this way, we can represent the number. So we stop when the new dividend. So this is the dividend. Last number is dividend. So we will stop here because the dividend is 1. So the prime factors. Now prime factors 2, 3. These are the prime numbers. So 2 and 3 is a prime factor, and the prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Means prime factorization means the product of that number. How we can represent this 18 by using the prime number. So 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18. Very easy. Got it, children? Just we need to use The short division method we have learned in class 3. Okay. Now, see. Now another method, that is factor tree method. So here we will use tree method. As you can see this figure, these are the tree methods. Okay. We can use in a different way. Tree. We are making a tree here. So suppose here 24. Now you choose any number, any two number whose product is 24. So here it is 4 into 6 is 24. So now we will choose that any two number whose product is 4. So 2 into 2 is 4, and here 2 into 3 is 6. So now these numbers, as you can see, these numbers are prime factorization. Okay, prime factorization of the number, and the prime number is 2 and 3. We will not write in prime factors, we will write only 1, 2, because all the 2's are same. So we will write only 2, 1, 2, and here 1, 3. But in prime factorization, we have to write all these 4 numbers. Okay, all these 4 numbers. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Again here also the same number we can also here represent in another way. So 3 8 is 24. Yes or no? 3 8 is 24 is also there. So now choose two number whose product is 8. So 2 into 4 is 8. Now choose again two number whose product is 4. So 2 into 2 is 4. So now these are the numbers is the prime factorization. Here also you can see in this way also we can do. So prime factor, see, only 2 and 3. We are not writing here 3 2's. Why? Because this is a prime number, one prime number only. So we are writing here 2. And prime factorization, we need to write all the prime numbers, 3 2 2 and 2. 8 4 is not a prime number. Got it, children? These two are composite number. So we are writing only the prime number. So prime factorization means a prime number which represent this. Got it, children? In the same way here also, everything is same. See, division method and tree method. If we will do with division method, you will get the same answer. If we will do with the tree method, you will get the same answer. Only the process is method is different, but you will get the same answer. Got it? As you can see here, 36. So 2, the smallest 2 number, 36. Yes, the last digit is 6, so we can divide by 2. So 2 18 is 36. Again 18 can be divisible by 2. So 2 9 is 18. Again 3 3 3 is 9. Again 3 3 is 1 is 3. Done. Here also 36. See how many, in how many ways we are doing here? 3 ways. 1 2 3 ways. So see here, as you can see here, the prime factors 2 and 3, only 2 and 3, but prime factorization 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. We can write anyway, but here we are just writing small to big, 2 into 2 into 3 into. Got it, children? So let's do exercise. Okay, so find the prime factorization and prime factors. Find the prime factors and prime factorization of the following. Okay, so is the methods are not mentioned here, so I'll show you with both the methods. First A I will do with the division method. Okay, first I will do A with the division method. So 6. So write 6 here again. Choose the smallest prime number. So 2, 2, 3 is 6. Again here 3, 3, 1 is 3. Done. So prime factors. Prime factors. These two are prime factors. So 2 and 3. And prime factorization, these two number. So how we will write? By using a multiplication symbol. 2 into 3 is 6. Got it? Now B, you try it. C also you try it. I'm going to do number D with the tree method. So 20. Again I'll write 20 here. So 2 10 the 20. Again I can, now I will find, yes, 2 5 the 10. Now we cannot write because 5 1 is 5, 2 1 is 2. No need to use 1. So directly we will use this number. So prime factors are 2 and 5 only. 2 and 5, and prime factorization. Prime factorization is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 2 to the 4, 4 5 the 20. You just check it last, okay? After multiplying that you are getting the this number or not. Otherwise it is wrong. Got it? Now I'm not going to do number E. You try it. I'm going to do number F with the division method. Okay? Number D, that is 30. So just I'm taking here. Okay, I'll do in the next page. Okay. Number F. Okay, that is 30. So division method. 30. So last is 0. Yes, it is divisible by 2. So 2 1 ja 2 1 5. Sorry, 0 2 5 ja 10. Okay. So 2 15 ja 30. Now we do 6 the 12, 2 7 the 14, 2 the 16. Not possible, so we will take 3. 3, 5 the 15. Now 5 will come in table of 5. Got it? Now prime factors. Prime prime factors is 2, 3 and 5. Now because 3 prime numbers are there, so these are the prime factors. Now prime factorization. Prime factorization, that is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. Got it? We got the answer. Now number G, that is 42. I will do with tree method. So 42. So 6 7 ja 42. Okay. Now 7 1 ja 7, no need. Yes. 2 3 just 6. Now we got the prime number. 7 is a prime number. So prime factors. 2, 3 and 7. And prime factorization. Prime factorization is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. 2 3 is 6 and 6 7 is 40. So we got the answer. Now H and I you try, okay children? So keep on practicing. Okay, thank you everyone.